I'm Joe Henry with ACT Auto, Truck, Tire, and Collision Staffing with another technician recruiting tip of the month. This month is, Joe, how quickly will my technician position get filled? And that's a common question. And here's the answer. It all depends on the three essential items. And here they are in the order of importance. Number one, how attractive your offer is. Because if your offer is not attractive to technicians, they're not going to respond. Why would they turn around and respond to you if you're offering them the same thing of what they have? Number two, how proactive you use the system. We've talked about how that you need to call, you need to text, and you need to email anybody that's got an active resume that you might be interested in. And you need to do it 3 times. Remember, that's what we call the 3x3. And then number 3 reason that they come in is that when they do respond, you need to respond back. Because we've been doing this for 22 years, and still the most common complaint from candidates to us is, you know, Joe, I sent that employer a resume, I called and left a message, and I emailed my resume, and nobody ever contacted me back. So when they do contact you, you need to contact them back as quickly as possible. I know we all get going Mach 2 with our hair on fire, and we let some things slip through, but every day that you don't call that candidate back, somebody else has, and he's gone. I'm Joe Henry with ACT Auto, Truck, Tire, and Collision Staffing with that important technician recruiting tip of the month. Have a great business day.